I started with a plain canvas pencil case and I did protect the inside with a paper towel. I used a diamond grunge stencil with indigo coloration spray to start my layers on this new canvas. I like to have a clean mat so I do not make stains on my projects, so I use a lot of paper towel. I was going to use a knife to spread the paint, but finally I decided to use a black pen to draw the design. I did grab back my Fiesta Velvet medium to paint the inside of the design. And now I'm using the Tango Velvet medium to paint the rest of the pattern. Cannot see really the line of the design, so I decided to use a white paint pen to outline the pattern. I wanted to add another layer, so I used the Dottie stencil with the velvet medium called Lime Head. It's green, a light green. I dried everything, and after that I look at it and say that something was missing, so I started to and draw inside with a white paint. And again, it's like small circle. As I draw something inside the pink, I say that, well, I should grab the black pen and do it with the diamond too, so I did it. Now the layers are done and I was ready to add the sentiment. I grabbed two stencils for that. This one is the Inspire stencil, and obviously I draw Inspire with it. And for the other one, I use the expression stencil and just use the be in believe to finish my sentiments. I hope you liked the video. This is the result. Thank you.